ABT microsessions. Finding joy in nature. The art of landscape drawing. Vocabulary. Sketch. Landscape. Perspective. Proportion. Shade. Or pencil. Paper. Erasure. Art supplies. Inspiration. Let's read.
Drawing landscapes can be a relaxing and rewarding hobby. It allows you to connect with nature and express your creativity. To start drawing landscapes, you'll need some basic art supplies, such as pencils, paper, and eraser. Begin by sketching out the basic shapes and lines of the landscape. Pay attention to the perspective and proportion of the objects in your drawing. Add details like trees, mountains, and bodies of water. Use shading to create depth and dimension in your landscape. As you practice drawing landscapes, you'll develop your own style and preferences. Experiment with different techniques and mediums to find what works best for you. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process.
Now, let's answer. What are some basic art supplies needed for drawing landscapes? Why is it important to pay attention to perspective and proportion in landscape drawing? What are some ways to create depth and dimension in a landscape drawing? Think about it. Practice your answers. Share it in the comments. See you soon. Bye.